Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank y'all for stopping by. Today is episode 18 of the Booze News, the news that you can use. Today we're doing a drink called the Witch's Brew. Hope you enjoy it. Always remember to drink responsibly. If you can't drink responsibly, please drink with responsible people. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our ingredients ready to go here. Let's get started. We're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of vodka. Our next ingredient is some blackberry liqueur. This is a blackberry brandy, I guess, rather. We're going to go 1/2 ounce with it. All right, our last ingredient is cranberry juice, and we're going to use 2 ounces. And now it's time for the all-important taste test. Ladies and gentlemen, I say give this drink about an 8 out of 10. Definitely got some tartness to it. We'll probably have 2 or 3 of them. If you're into the tart drinks, then this drink's probably right up your alley. But hey, don't take my word for it. Here is this episode's celebrity judge to let you know what they think about it.
Why, Mr. Paul Vines, what have you got there? Is that what I think it is? Let me have a taste. Oh, so refreshing. I love it. Tastes really good. Almost makes me want to do something. Not sure what. Ooh, I'm sorry, did that come out of me? May I have another?